Sanibonani Dumelani Apsheni, hi, welcome back to Tumizi. Ite lishisa phela futhi ukuthi ungaliphuzi ukuhamba kodwa uhlale phansi ngoba uzosha. Asikhulumeni ngoTirelo, i-relationship kaTirelo nabantwana bakaMpumelelo, umnini and his sister is very good because you can see ukuthi umntana kaTirelo stays nabo Mayeni, and whenever it's time for ukuthi bamhambise bamise ekhaya kweTirelo, he takes along umnini nosiswa no Obanzi. This is such a very good relationship, a very healthy relationship. And one thing I can say about Utirolo, is a very smart woman, is giving Maqele, but with a side of Umayeni because of the history repeating itself. I've made a video about that. You can check it out to understand what I'm talking about. Magu Umseleko has a lot of drama. He is so funny. One thing nje angazi ukuthi kula malanga nje sobukela abantu zisihlisa njengomseleko because he has us talking all week, all month, all days. Yo sizomkhumbula umseleko when he had to address indaba kaSne, and then he started to say ukuthi sinenkinga. I was on my knees because I'm like, how inkinga enjani leyo ukuthi umuntu ukhulelwe, you know those vibes. He said get ukuthi ukhulela kaSne might be a burden to him, but ukuthi manje seka addressa abafazi athi sinenkinga uSne ukhulelwe, hayibo mkhuluka that's inkanyezi. Hayibo unkanyezi is supposed to be a blessing. Ngoba uthi yo sake saba nenhlanhla nje sathola inkanyezi yethu kodwa yena he's like no sinenkinga. Oh Madam Seleku, you'll forever be famous in our books. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi he is addressing indaba kaSne in front of uMakhumalo noMangwabe, which uSne has made it clear ukuthi laba bayithu nje angizwani nabo bazobakhuluma nabo ku-podcast kulwela amabhansi nokudla, those type of vibes. And now Umseleko is sitting there, is like oh sinenkinga uSne ukhulele, those type of vibes, mentioning ama-dates ukuthi they are not corresponding, those type of vibes, nokuthi the alleged father is actually not the father because the dates don't correlate. It was so sad because as we know uSne wants nothing to do with uMangwabe noMakhumalo. Imagine having to hear ukuthi discuss phambi kwalabo bafazi, because as you can see uMangwabe was not having it, Makhumalo was out there eating, not even interested. Umayeni naye bekeyidlela nje bebenganandaba. That's why they didn't even have anything to say about indaba zikaSne nama-pregnancy wakhe. As Umayeni said in the diary session ukuthi mina ngubani nje sengizokhulumana nendaba zikaSne ngoba nginendaba zami zakaMpumelelo zomjolo yakhe ezingihlulayo okumele nginakane nazo. Wathi plus abantwana banendlela yokuhlaza, and unfortunately uMangwabe was like how sengiyamangala ukuthi this time sesotshelwa ngendaba kaSne ukuthi ukhulelwe, because since singila kaMseleko I don't remember anyone reporting ukuthi uSne ukhulelwe. We just saw abantwana sebegijima, then we knew ukuthi oh uSne, or we saw her being pregnant. That's when we knew ukuthi okay uSne ukhulelwe, uSne uzalile, sivele sizwa amagama abantwana qhubeke ngempilo. But the reason why bebetshela is because izinto bebezicabanga ukuthi zizoyenzeka unfortunately did not happen. And by that, because as we knew ukuthi uSne was in a very loving relationship, a very public one on social media, bebelavi-davi, na the alleged Kagiso, if there's the one that they're talking about, and jiggy uSne uSmithi jiggy, there's been conversation, miss call ukuthi hey nangu uSne, hey uSne ufuna ukungiphathisa ibhantshi kanjani, you know those type of vibes. And then uSne uyabeletha mekathi nhla. This is not uKagiso. It doesn't make sense. Ngapha bokunojeke in the pregnancy process. Kuningi umntana abantu bathe ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi konje benginovusi, ngaba noJabu, ngaba iyayazi lento leyo. Ziyakhala ziyokhola umntwana makathi uyambheka akazi uSne ukuthi ngizomfanisa nobani nje obuyifanela nami yaze yanzima indaba. Then Umseleko wathi Maqele suzosala vele uhendlela indaba zikaSne zo baby daddy ukuthi nenza kanjani senizabona. One thing about Maqele is giving gogo wabantwana, is giving mamezala wabafazi, is giving wifey, is giving friend, is giving advisor. Yay, uyizinto eziningi A1. She plays so many roles in that family. And one thing I need to say is that Macele, I love how she has accepted uSneh nabantwana bakhe and she has shown them love, because as we've seen ukuthi bekahleli lapha ekwazi wabiza nomntana abantu inkanyezi, umntana kaSneh wathi inkanyezi. She didn't have to name her igama elizomsinda, but wamnikeza igama elihle elikhazimulayo. That is very nice of her. May God continue to bless this wife, plus Mzansi Macele, as you showed all know by now ukuthi she's my favorite. Mseleku's reasoning for telling the wives is the fact that akafuni ukuthi bezwe ngezinto zakamseleku ngaphandle, because obviously why would you have to hear about izinto ezenzakalayo emzini wakho or in your family from outsiders? Like, it's not giving fair, it's not giving ukuthi we singumndeni. But he said ngifuna ukunitshela so that mazenzeka ningamangali senibona lapha eTV ukuthi awu enzakalani, hawazange satshelwa lokhu nalokhu. You get the vibes, you know. And I mean, I think that's a good thing, you know, because it's so sad, because most of the time when we are watching Uthando Nesithembu, we hear people saying, ngavele ngabona nje ngomshado kaMseleku kwi-TV. Like, imagine. And people are calling you, asking you questions. Lapho wena wazi next nokuthi ukushadiwe nje usuzwa ngabantu. No, I think what Mseleku has done is a very good thing. It shows good leadership, good family values.